What is the importance of education? 5 minutes impromptu speech.
Start speaking now.
Good day, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the importance of education. Education is one of the most valuable things a person can have. It is more than just going to school, taking exam, or earning good grades. Education helps us gain knowledge, develop skills, and build confidence and prepare for the future. It shapes the way we think, make decisions, and interact with other people. First, education gave us knowledge from a young age. We learn how to read, write, solve problems, and understand the world around us. Every subject we study teaches us something useful. Mathematics help us think logically. Science explain how things work. History teaches us about the past, and language help us communicate with others. The knowledge we gain stay with us throughout our lives and help us make wise decisions. Second, education develop important life skills. In school and college, we learn how to work with others, communicate effectively, manage our time, and solve problems. These skills are valuable not only in our studies but also in our future, career, and personal lives. Education also teaches us to become independent and responsible. It encourages us to think critically instead of simply accepting everything we hear. Another reason education is important is that it's open door to better opportunities. Many careers require education and training, whether someone dreams or becoming a teacher, doctor, engineer, or artist. Education provides the foundation for achieving those goals. It gives people to qualification and confidence to pursue their dreams and improve their quality of life. Education also helps reduce poverty. When people receive a good education, they have a better chance of finding stable job and earning enough to support themselves and their families. An educated person can contribute to the economy, create businesses, and even provide employment for others. In this way, education benefits not only individual but also entire communities. In addition, education teaches good value. It helps us understand the importance of honesty, respect, kindness, responsibility, and discipline. This value guide us in making good choice and building healthy relationship with others. Education remind us that success is not only measured by money or achievements, but also by how we treat people and contribute to society. Education is also important because it helps us become informed and responsible citizen. It allows us to understand social issues, respect different cultures and beliefs, and participate in improving our communities. Educated people are more likely to make thoughtful decisions and work together to solve problems. And work together to solve as the famous saying goes, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Let us value our education, work hard, and use what we learn to create brighten future for ourselves, our families, and our communities. Thank you and have a wonderful day.